This video is promoted and sponsored by Keys.
Hi all, welcome to Alice Kitchen. Today's recipe is chicken dry fry. Let us see how to do chicken dry fry. For that I've taken spices. I've taken green chilies, bay leaf, star essence cloves, kasturi methi leaves, jeera and pepper. Let us grind all these ingredients. Along with one large chopped onion, grind them into a smooth paste. Now I've grinded them into a smooth paste like this. Let's keep this aside. I've placed a kadai. I'm adding about 2 to 3 spoons of oil. Let us add these chickens in the oil and fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure you keep the flame in medium. Now let me add the grinded paste to the chicken and saute well. Now let us increase the flame and saute for about few minutes. You can see it is boiling well. I'm adding half a spoon of turmeric powder and 2 spoons of coriander powder. One spoon of salt. Let us mix this and fry for about 2 minutes. Now it is coated well with the masala. Let us cover the lid and allow it to boil for few minutes. You can see the oil is separated from the masala. Let us gently stir from the bottom. Now let us add little bit of water for the chicken to cook well. Make sure you don't add too much of water, otherwise the chicken will be overcooked and you will not get the dry gravy. Now let us cover the lid and allow it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes until the chicken. Now let us open the bowl, open the lid. You can see the chicken is cooked well and the gravy is also dried. Let us stir them and transfer it to a serving bowl. I am adding few chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. The juicy chicken fry is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Have a nice day.